Some cozy finds from Amazon. Let's try them on. The pattern on this one looks really nice. It's kind of like a coat cardigan. It has a hood on. It's so soft. This brand has awesome sweaters. This one's a Free People lookalike. If you're shorter, you could wear it as a dress. I'm 5'9", so I'm gonna need like leggings or something with it, but really, really soft knit. Like a great basic layering top. This one is cute and has great length. This color was really, really pretty. I love it so much. It's like a medium knit, very, very soft. All these saved under my recent purchases.